Buenos dias mga amigo. Right now, ang plan natin ay mag-travel tayo ng Luzon galing dito sa May Davao. Ang total distance sa ating bibiyahin ay 1,400 km. So, umalis tayo ng Davao around 4 o'clock in the morning. Kaya tayo maaga, gusto natin makatawid tayo ng Surigao na may araw pa. Sa first day natin mga amigo, nasa 600 km yung ating plano na bibiyahin galing Davao papuntang Tacloban. So right now, nandito na tayo sa may Kabadbaran. Medyo maganda naman yung kalsada at maliwanag kaya mabilis yung ating biyahe. So dumating na tayo ng Surigao Port dito sa may Libata around 11 o'clock ng umaga. So mayroon tayong binyahe na 380 kilometers, almost 7 hours din ito. And then later on, tatawid tayo ng Libata papuntang Liloan via Roro. So sasakay tayo ng Roro na almost 63 km yung distance galing doon sa kabilang isla. So 2 oras din at kalahati yung ating bibiyahin sa Roro mga amigo. Mag alas 5 na ng hapon nung tayo ipadaong na ng Liloan Port. Buti naman at maganda yung panahon kaya mabilis lang ating biyahe. Sa awa ng Diyos, napakalinaw ng tubig at hindi naman maalon. Ito yung isa sa mga kinakabahan nating mga biyahero, lalong-lalo na kasama natin yung ating pamilya pag may masamang panahon sa dagat, no? So ito yung isa sa mga kaba natin. Right now, paalis na tao Liloan, no, mga higala. Dito tayo dadaan sa may Mahaplag via Agas-Agas Bridge. Ginawa itong kalsada na to para ma-shorten yung biyahe ng ating mga biyahero galing Tacloban. Dahil before, dumadaan sila dito sa may Baybay, Ilongos, Bato, then papasok ng Sogod. Pero right now, diretso na po ito ng Mahaplag going to Tacloban pag magagaling tayo sa Sogod. Ang Agas-Agas Bridge pala ay na-construct way back 2006, no? At nagtapos ito ng 2009. Meron itong budget na 1 billion pesos at located ang tulay nito sa Sogod, Southern Leyte. Meron itong 300 feet 50 meter na length at may height ito na 89 meters galing doon sa ground. At 2 lanes lang ito mga higala. Nakarating tayo ng Tacloban mag alas 10 na ng gabi. Hindi na ako nakakapag-video dito dahil medyo pagod na rin at sobrang dilim. So nagpahinga na tayo mga higala. Karoon na ito sa may Tacloban heading to Luzon for our business trip for almost a month. Tingnan natin dito. So, monitora sa Tacloban at the moment. Sunday morning, Tacloban City. Walay traffic, limpyo ang kalsada.
Under the old oak tree where we carved our names, dusty dirt roads running through forgotten plains, tractors humming
Buenos dias. Moni ang daplin sa dagat sa Tacloban mga higala, mga amigo. Kanang at that time nga kuan nagyulanda nayo sa kabarko diri nga mi kuan singana na mi sad-sad. You know? So ito yung barko na sumadsad, hindi na nila tinanggal yung ulo. Yan. Imagine that, galing sa dagat nandito sa lupa yung barko. Gano'ng kalakas yung current ng bagyo. So right now, nagpagasta dito sa Petron. So ang rate tag 59 ilang diesel. Then napakatipid ng ating biyahe dahil galing Davao usually Mahaplag na ubos na yung isang full tank yan. But right now, mayroon pa tayong 169 km na nahabilin sa atong tangke. So kaya pa yan tumakbo hanggang Talbayog, pero minabuti na natin magpa-full tank dahil mahal ang gas doon. Nindot na kayo ilang regional hospital. Bago nila develop. So we are leaving na ng Tacloban. Oras 10:15. Dito na tayo sa San Manico Bridge. ito yung tulay talaga na sarap balik-balikan. Yan. Tumigil yung Ford Escape para magpa-picture. Pa-picture sila dito.
There I go kicking up dust in my old pickup truck. Sun dipping low, feeling my luck. Hat tipped back with a grin so wide. Living this moment with you by my side. Yeehaw, we're riding away, wild and free, just what we crave. In the glow of the moon, we find our tune, sing along under the stars so bright. Nah, nah, hearts beat like a drum in the country night. We become one with the sky, our spirits fly on this wild country ride. Campfire crackling, stories untold under the stars, feeling bold. Guitar strumming soft melodies, echoes of our memories. With every chord we're setting ourselves free. Yeehaw, we're riding away, wild and free, just what we crave. In the glow of the moon, we find our tune, sing along under the stars so bright. Nah, nah, hearts beat like a drum in the country night. We become one with the sky, our spirits fly on this wild country ride. Bare feet dancing in the cool night air. With you here, I haven't gotta care. We're laughing loud under the wide open sky. In these moments, we're never saying goodbye. Yeehaw, we're riding the wave, wild and free, just what we crave. In the glow of the moon, we find our tune, sing along under the stars so bright. Nah, nah, hearts beat like a drum in the country night. We become one with the sky, our spirits fly on this wild country ride. Yeehaw, we're riding away, wild and free, just what we crave. In the glow of the moon, we find our tune, sing along under the stars so bright. Nah, nah, hearts beat like a drum in the country night. We become one with the sky, our spirits fly on this wild country ride. As the dawn breaks and the night fades, these memories, they never fade. We're the song, the heart, the light, the night. In this country life, we're doing it right.
Industry view. Somewhere in Samar. Saan nga yung lugaran eh? Later. Okay. Kanina, somewhere in Calbiga, Samar, nadaanan natin ang Divine Mercy na located ang 120-foot statue ni Jesus Christ na patayo itong rebulto na to da gamit lamang ang donation sa effort ni Father Valles. Itong pilgrim site na ito was dedicated last April 2022, which is coincide siya na pagsasara ng year-end long celebration ng ika-500 years ng ating Christianity dito sa Pilipinas. Right now, mga amigo, approaching na tayo ng Alin, Samar, which is dito tayo tatawid, sasakay tayo ng Roro papuntang Sorsogon sa may Matnog. Palabas na tayo ng barko, mga amigo. So malaki malaki yung barko na nasakyan natin. Montenegro. So, gasoline check. Nagpa-full tank ka sa Tacloban kanina. Dito tayo sa Matnog, meron pa tayong remaining 467 kilometer. So, kaya pa niya umabot ng Quezon Province, Tagkawayan or Lopez. But pa-refill na tayo somewhere in Ragay.
Out past the fields where the wildflowers grow, there's a place only you and I know. Sunsets painting the sky with a flare. That's where I first found your love in the country air. Down by the creek where the willow trees blow, we carved our initials, made love's sacred vow. Watched the stars dancing in the night's glare, fell head over boots for you in the country air. Oh, love in the country air, pure and true, just me and you, under skies so blue, with every gentle breeze, I swear.
Yes.
I hear
So, we are now in saan tayo? May young apprentice Sorsogon. So, nahanap tayo na matutulugan dito kay inaantok na yung driver tsaka yung pahinante. So, tomorrow magtatrabaho pa tayo sa ating mga customer dito sa may Albay. So, hindi natin makabaligya. 9:30. Paalis na tayo na Sorsogon. So, let's go. Magandang gabi mga amigo. So around 10:30 na ang gabi na kami sa may Sorsogon. Tignan yung background sa ating likod. Ito yung bago na nilang stadium. Sa stadium ng Sorsogon, napakaganda. Para kayong nasa tira ng Roman Empire. Buntag mga amigo, it's our third day today na kami dito sa Legazpi, Albay. So mapansin nato dito sa right side na umuusok-usok na so ito yung majestic na vulkan sa Philippines, Mayon Volcano. So mga amigos at amigas, mao niya nga atong beautiful Mayon. Time check 12:05. Naami sa Kagsawa. Tanawa ko. Arte kayo sila, di magpa-picture kay init.
Uy, dali na! Ayan, may pain-pain kasi may sombrero na may pain-pain.
At The moment, nandito tayo sa Ginubatan, Albay. So, dumaan tayo sa ating mga customer dito. Ito yung isa sa mga kalsada na lapit sa Bulkan. May mga kalabaw na naliligo. Balik tayo sa ating trabaho. Albay, Pulanggi,
Dito yung karamuan papa niya.
Dili.
Ay, natin pala yung sa
Right now, nandito na ta sa Camarinesor. Camsor na. So, 3:39 daw, time check. Nandito kami sa Pili. Inabot kami ng malakas na ulan. Halos zero visibility. Good morning mga amigo. It's our 4th day. Nandito kami sa may Camsor. So natagalan kami ng a few days sa Bicol dahil may pang 4th day na natin mga higala. So nag-extend tayo ng isang araw dito sa may Camsor dahil may mga customer tayong pinuntahan, no? So may mga client tayo dito sa area na kailangan natin ma-meet up para sa ating mga business proposal. So karon nandito na tayo sa may Santa Elena, going to Quezon Province na tayo. Oh guys, nandito na tayo sa Quezon Province at last. 4 days of travel. Nag-record ba?
Country states.
Karon mga amigo, kanang mipaholes ta kadiyot. This is our 4th day of driving from Davao. So na-place dire sa Gumaka, Quezon sa may diversion road, sa bagong diversion. Actually bagong open lang to nga road, no. So na-place dire nga gamay kayo kapihan, magkapi-kapi sa. Pero ang the best thing dito is yung view niya ba? Ganda ng view niya. Yan. So tambay muna tayo saglit. Siguro mga few hours na doon na tayo sa ating base sa Laguna.
Mama loved Prince, sang Purple Rain. Daddy was a hippie smoking Mary Jane. Married at 14 with a baby in his hand. Worked with his hands, built our promised land. Your kids' total life was tough, but they held on tight through the rocky stuff. 35 years through joys and fears. Love like a river through laughter and tears. Oh, their love's like a song playing strong and true. Through the highs and the lows they made it through. Mama's heart beats for Prince, Daddy's hands work the land. Builds a life together hand in hand. Mama was a housewife with love in her eyes. Daddy's laughter echoed under southern skies. 3 grown children and grandkids too. Their love story shines like the morning dew. Through the storms they've weathered, hearts still beat as one. From the rise of the sun till the day's done. Through the struggles they faced and the dreams they chased. Their love's the anchor that can't be replaced. Oh, their love's like a song playing strong and true. Through the highs and the lows they made it through. Mama's heart beats for Prince, Daddy's hands work the land. Builds a life together hand in hand. From the rise of the sun till the day is done. Through the struggles they face and the dreams they chase. Their love's the anchor that can't be replaced. Oh, their love's like a song playing strong and true through the highs and the lows they made it through. Mama's heart beats for Prince, Daddy's hands work the land, builds a life together hand in hand. In a world of changes, their love's a steady rock through every season. It's withstood the clock, 3 grandchildren, laughter fills the air. Their legacy of love beyond compare. Oh, their love's like a song playing strong and true through the highs and the lows they made it through. Mama's heart beats for Prince, Daddy's hands work the land, builds a life together hand in hand. Through it all they found their way, a love that grows stronger day by day. Mama's love for Prince, Daddy's hands and his plan, their love's the melody of a life well spent.
Yehey! Laguna na! Nakarating na din sa awa ng Diyos.
In a world
Welcome
of
to
changes,
Laguna.
their love's a steady rock through every season.
We're home.
It's withstood the clock, 3 grandchildren,
Ano man masabi mo
laughter can't be replaced.
Sa biyahe natin. Okay lang. Karon mga amigo, nanata sa Calamba, Laguna. So, miabot na gyud ta from our trip gikan og Davao. So, nasa 4 days ang ating travel. So, right now na exact time is nasa 8:30 ng gabi. So, chill lang ang atong biyahe para di masyadong pagod. Kasi may kasama natin yung ating pamilya. Tsaka nakapagtrabaho pa tayo dun sa Bicol, mga customer natin. So, salamat sa pagsubaybay. And adios mga amigos.